Good morning.
Oh, big day.
Never took advantage of that.
Julian is heading in for his final day of work at Target. I have not talked about this. Maybe I'll do a clip later about it.
Yeah.
But today is his last day, and we are very thrilled. Freedom. Good morning, Cornelius. He's on his morning walk. Whoa, where are you going? Why? Why did you land on my head?
This is Mr. Tendertail.
Mr. Tendertail. He has a feather that, well, you saw earlier that he was walking around on the floor a lot. He flew down and, flew under my dad's foot.
And his tail got
And one of his feathers got taken off, out, whatever. So he has a tender tush right now.
Ow.
So he once scritches, but then he's feisty.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing, Cornelius? He's gonna bite you.
He got mad at his own feather.
It wasn't a bad day
That's
of work. It
recording.
was just.
I just want to see if I'm in the frame. If you guys do, yeah, there. Okay. All right, we are heading to a wake. Gabriel's sensei, his mom passed away, so we're gonna go give our condolences. All right, so we went to the funeral. It was sad. And now we're at a gas station. We ordered pizza.
Not just any gas station, it's Casey's.
We're at Casey's and we ordered pizza and we have 25 minutes to wait, so we're buying junk food. Gabriel has a cherry Coke slushie. It happened again. We got to the same stoplight. If you watched my vlog the other day, and Ethan and I got stuck at a stoplight for 10 minutes. We won't be stopped as long because we're the first people in line to turn left, but there was an emergency vehicle that came, and we had to wait for the light to cycle through again. All right, we're watching Ted Lasso now. We found a new show, officially. Oh my word. I really love it. Final clip. All right. We are sufficiently binging this show. I don't even know how many episodes we've watched, and I'm just hooked. Totally hooked. So if you haven't watched Ted Lasso, I recommend it. It is a good one. Tomorrow is Saturday. We have bowling, and do we have anything else? No. Bowling. So, until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.